Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a nice 9-drawer dresser with 2 matching nightstands that we're going to redo. So follow along, subscribe, like us on Facebook and Instagram while we get this project prepped to go. Alright, we looked the piece over. Pretty much in good condition. The tops are pretty worn out, so we'll be sanding those down nice and well to get all the little indentions and dents out of them. The frame here looks pretty good. Everything looks solid. Not much to complain about here. So what we're going to do is start removing the hardware, pulling the drawers out, making sure all the frame, subframe, tracks are all in good order, and see if there's any other issues that we didn't see right away. So let's start getting those handles off. Alright, all the handles off, everything inside looks good, so we can start sanding. No big issues, just the tops, get the little wear in. Supervisor has already checked it, and we are green lighted to start sanding, which I guess I'll be doing. The supervisor doesn't sand. So, 120 grit, we'll get it going. We're going to hit the pieces just all over, so we can get a good adhesion to the paint. We'll do the drawers, we'll start vacuuming them out, and wiping it all down in prep for paint, and then we'll pick that paint color. So let's begin.
Next level.
Alright, it's all vacuumed and wiped down, ready for paint. We're going to use a dark navy blue on this product. So, let's begin starting with the drawers. We'll do one coat on that. We'll start on the nightstands, and then we'll work our way to the frame here. And then we'll do it all again for our second coat. We should coat this really nicely, and then we can start putting the wax on, start putting the hardware on, and we can get under the tree to show you guys this final project.
Next level.
Alright, we're going to put our glove on, and we're going to start waxing these pieces. They've all dried now. So, we're just going to use our Valspar finishing dry wax. We'll do the whole piece, all the drawers, and then we'll start putting the handles and everything on. Alright, here it is completed. Navy blue, 9-drawer dresser, and 2 nightstands. I really like the color pop with the handles on here. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook, and I bet this is going to be in somebody's home soon.